I wanted to give you a quick reminder about comparing and ordering rational numbers. So just recall, to do that, we want to change fractions to decimals. And to change a fraction to a decimal, you're going to divide the fraction. So example, if I have 7 over 8, I can go to Desmos and I can just use the fraction key and I can put the fraction in 7 over 8. And that gives me 0.875. And you can also do 7 divided by 8. It's the same thing. Okay. I want to change a percent to a decimal. So if I have 39%, I'm going to do that by dividing by 100. So I'm just going to take the number and divide by 100, and I get 0.39. And if you have trouble remembering that it's divided by 100, look at your percent sign has a 1 and 2 zeros. Maybe that would help you. Okay? If you don't have a fraction or a percent sign, then you don't need to do anything. So if I had 3.75, there's no fraction, there's no percent, that equals 3.75. So let's convert these. 3/4, 3 divided by 4, 3 divided by 4, see, it's my fraction, that equals 0.75. For 75%, I'm going to divide by 100. 75 divided by 100. And that's also 0.75. This has no fraction or a percent, so I just leave it alone. Okay? Some key words are, if it's ascending, it's like going up a staircase, ascending, goes up. If it's descending, is down. So you're going to go large to small. And again, we're going to line up our decimals. So if you have a fraction with a whole number in front, you're going to put the whole number where the 0 would normally be. So let's look at this one. I have 2, and then I have my fraction, which is 3 on the top and 5 on the bottom, right? So it's 2.6 because the 2 goes where that 0 was. Here I have 257%. So I'm going to take 257 and divide by 100. And look, I get 2.57. This is already, sorry, this is an error. This is already not a fraction and not a percent, so I just could copy it over. I'm going to add a 0 here just so that I have the same amount. All right, I've got my decimals lined up. You see that? I want this order to be ascending. So my smallest, I look at my 2's, they're all the same. I have a 2, a 2, and a 2. So then I look at 6, 5, and 7. This is my smallest number. So I'm going to put 257% is my smallest number. And I can cross through it. Then I have a 6 and a 5. Okay. That 6 is smaller than the 5, and I need to use the fraction. 2 3/5 is my second number. And then the largest number is 2.75.